Zayo is a global provider of bandwidth infrastructure services, including dark and lit networks. Dark fiber has virtually unlimited bandwidth. Customers can obtain dark fiber from Zayo and provide their own electronics to light the fiber. When the fiber becomes lit, the flow of data begins, and the customer has direct operational control over their lit network. This network requires the fiber to be re-amplified every 40 to 60 miles, requiring an inline amplification shelter, or ILA. ILA shelters supply secured space and steady power for Zayo and Zayo customer lit networks to be amplified to their final destination.
So Oldcastle produces shelters for Zayo nationwide at many of their ILA sites. We've worked with the Zayo team currently on 2 designs to standardize their national deployment. As fast as Zayo has been growing, standardization is key to minimize risk, increase efficiency, and allow its speed of deployment. The process in general is for a 36-foot building is about a cycle time about 10 days. So we can build the shell in the concrete area or the precast facility in about 2 days, and then we move it into outfitting and then into our 50,000 square foot integration facility. So it allows the Zayo team, their suppliers, to come into our facility. We give them a nice conditioned area, allowing them to control their schedule and their cost as well.
Traditionally, we've deployed them one at a time throughout the network. In this environment, what we've ended up doing is creating really an assembly line approach to manufacturing and implementation, meaning that the building, everything happens within the same facility, from the manufacturing all the way through to the implementation of the network electronics. Precast ILA shelters allow us to plug and play it in the field and be in the market in probably about 20% less time than it would take in a traditional construction. And from a quality control perspective, there's a lot of consistency built into using a pre-manufactured shelter.
So one of the benefits of working with Oldcastle for Zayo is, one, we have a gigantic footprint, nationwide footprint. We have over 70 precast facilities nationwide, which allows us to be nimble and grow with Zayo. Oldcastle prides itself in being a decentralized business. Although we're a large organization, each one of our facilities regionally can work closely with the Zayo team no matter where they're at nationwide.
Zayo selected Oldcastle Precast as our partner in this precast shelter design because they really are, in my opinion, the top of the industry. From their engineering staff to their production and implementation support, the Oldcastle team has provided resources and opened up their facilities to Zayo's implementation plan, and truly have been a great partner.
Zayo, global bandwidth infrastructure.